up. This is a slot fish. Well, I'll get those D-hookers. Sweet. Because otherwise, you know, if it doesn't look real good, then they're kind of just cruising around and they're searching different areas looking for food. Find little happy pockets and stuff like that. Like if you don't get bit in like one section, just kind of just keep fan casting like just around it. Good little tip, when these fish start getting close to you, always keep your legs together, just so they don't shoot in between your legs. I'm just going to go around you. Good, just keep casting. 18 to 27 inches. This guy's probably 25. Nice, Mr. Redfish. There you go, just put that rod low if he starts shooting up onto there. Yeah, they're such a fun fish to target. He's got some fun in him. Yeah. He thought it was just like, he's gonna swim right in, but he got like a little surge of energy there. Yeah. Oop, watch out for that reel right behind you. Just cut, no, it's alright. Just put that rod like in between your legs, and then just always just grab them. Probably like the best area to grab them. It's just right by the tail. So I like to grab them and just kind of just like pull them right in there, right in the kayak. There you go, perfect. Ew! Nice one. I think it's the big dog of the day so far. Get a good picture around.